In this video, I wanted to take a look at the Reli Light Cam D1, a device that allows you to capture beautiful moments of your pets, wildlife, or use it as a regular security camera. Let's take a look. Just before we start, this product is still in the development stage and some functions are still being optimized. Also, the final retail packaging and contents may be different. Currently, the Reli Cam D1 is on an Indiegogo campaign, and if you use a secret perk link, you can get it for just $79, which is an incredible value. Check out the links and show notes in the video description down below. My unit came with quite a few accessories that were packed in separate boxes. The list of accessories include a flexible tripod, a desk and fan stand, a height-adjustable ground stand, a strap mount, and a solar panel. The camera itself is packed in a separate box and it ships with a wall bracket and some hardware, adhesive pads, USB cable for charging, and some paperwork. When it comes to design, the Cam D1 is a nice and compact camera, and you can put it anywhere you want because it has a massive 7800 mAh battery. It can last up to 5 months on a single charge. That means that you don't need to worry about choosing a permanent spot for the camera, as it does not require the mains power. Speaking of power, plug in the solar panel and forget about charging. Super convenient and environmentally friendly. I found the supplied mounting brackets, stands, and mounts to be really convenient, and they give me a lot of flexibility as I don't like permanent installations. They hold the camera really well and they allow me to move the device in a matter of seconds. The metal-made stand has adjustable height that can be adjusted for the most efficient capturing of birds, dogs, cats, wildlife, and so on. I found the overall build quality to be very good, and the device is designed to survive heat, snow, and rain thanks to IP65 certification. The camera works in temperatures from -20 to +50 degrees Celsius. So far, it's been working great in +33 degrees Celsius weather. On the front, you can find a camera sensor that is capable of capturing 1080p video, and it has a wide field of view of 156 degrees. There is also an infrared light and a very bright 550 lumen spotlight. Thanks to this combination and software, the D1 can automatically switch between full color and infrared night vision according to the environment. On the left, you can find a power key and the micro SD card slot, which gives you the option to store the recorded videos locally if you don't want to use cloud services. On the bottom, there is a 1/4-inch thread and USB Type-C port for charging that is covered with a flap, and on the back you can find another mounting thread and a speaker grill. In order to start using the camera, you need to install the Reli app. Within the app, you can view the live stream, turn on or off the sound to hear what the camera is recording, take a picture, record a video, turn on or off the light, or a pretty loud siren to deter the intruders. Here is a quick audio test. You can also scroll through the timeline and choose which clip you want to watch, download to your phone, or delete it. Further, you can make a voice call thanks to the two-way talk feature. I found audio quality to be pretty good, as you can make an easy-to-understand conversation. In the camera settings section, you can control the light, adjust night vision and image settings. Besides, you can choose which notifications you want to receive. I kept all of them on. Recording settings menu allows you to turn on or off movement detection and sensitivity. Medium is the standard setting, but if you are very cautious about who's entering the property or you want to capture movement of animals that are further away, choose the highest sensitivity setting. You can also turn on or off the person detection feature and choose a maximum recording time. The standard was 10, but I switched to 20 seconds to record longer clips. The app also allows you to manage storage, see the videos and images, and adjust general and AI settings. The latter menu allows you to tailor the camera for your needs and choose what camera detects and what it does not detect. One of the key features of the app, tags that automatically sort clips into locations, events, facials, birds, pets, wild animals, packages, and so on. The location tag is pretty simple as I have just one camera in my backyard. Events section shows you the videos recorded when the camera is triggered by motion, person, or alerts. I mostly use the camera for motion detection and it's been working great, especially if you set the sensitivity to the highest point. The camera is capable of recognizing people's faces and this feature works really well. Simply film yourself with the camera, choose your avatar and tag your name. Once the initial setup is completed, up to 20 registered faces will be automatically recognized. I couldn't capture any birds or wild animals yet, but I do have a few cats and a dog. The camera automatically distinguished the animals into groups and put them under the pets tag so I can check what they're doing. I stored all of the recorded videos locally on the microSD card and I downloaded them to my phone when needed. It is good that manufacturer gives you options and doesn't force you to rely on cloud services. A pretty cool feature of the CamD1, voice assistant support. For instance, you can simply ask Siri where your cat is. Google Assistant will be supported with future software updates. Now let's talk about image quality. In good light, the 1080p video looks nice and sharp enough to see the faces and all the details required for face and animal recognition and other AI features. Good overall quality, especially considering the price. For low-light video recording, the standard setting uses integrated IR lights. The video is discreetly shot in black and white and the quality is pretty good overall. The built-in light is very powerful and I found it to be very useful in color night vision mode. Well, there is a lot of noise in the video, but quite an impressive quality considering poor lighting conditions. Overall, the D1 camera produces really good quality footage, especially considering the price. All things considered, the Reli CamD1 is a very useful camera that is loaded with features. I like its design, build quality, and flexibility. You can put it anywhere you want and change its location in a matter of seconds thanks to the built-in long-lasting battery and plenty of mounting options. Besides, the app is loaded with features and it goes way beyond security as you can see what your pets are doing or observe the wildlife. Lastly, the video quality is very good. All in all, the Reli Lite CamD1 is a very good all-in-one camera that you should definitely check it out, especially considering its value for the price. What do you think about the CamD1? Would you buy this camera or would you choose another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.